My people, our topic for today is how to create a one-click shutdown button in Windows. Now, over the years, Microsoft has made shutting down a machine so hectic. You can imagine going into your start button, going to power before you can find your shutdown in order to power down your machine. What if we create a shortcut, a button that you can just click once and your machine will shut down? Let's get straight to it. First of all, you create a new shortcut on your desktop, anywhere on your desktop. So I'll just create a shortcut right now, which I'll come here, new and shortcut, and you type in shutdown space /s space /t space 0. Don't worry, I'll leave the name you type in the video description, so if you don't get it, you can get it in the description. So when you type it, yes, click next, and then you look for a name that best suits the button. For me, I go with shutdown, which is already there, so I'll just leave it to be shutdown. And I hit finish. Now, to make it so realistic to look like a shutdown button, I'll change the icon, which you do it like this. Come to properties, you right click on it and come to properties. Then here you just see change icon, then okay, you can see the icons here, and this icon really looks more realistic to something that looks like a shutdown, so I'll use that one, but you can use any that best suits your interest. So I'm going to use this one. Okay, and okay, and our shutdown button is ready. So right now, if you just click it once, your machine will power down, and it's easy and it's fast and it's convenient. So let's pin it to our taskbar. I'll just right click and pin to taskbar. So right now it's on my taskbar, which is here. If I just click on it, my machine will power down. So I'll come and delete this shortcut here, whilst the one on the taskbar is there. Okay, so I take this one out, but the taskbar one is still here, and there you have it. Thanks for watching. If you like these kinds of videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button, such that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified, and then you learn something new again. Bye bye.